Hi, I'm Tyler.
And I'm Erin, and we design and build pop-up truck campers.
Our company, Hiatus Campers, has its own proprietary folding wall system.
Our campers are all about being lightweight and protecting the functionality of your truck, but also providing an interior so comfortable you won't ever want to leave.
We're stoked to be sharing our design with you, and we hope you like it.
What makes our campers so unique is the composite folding wall system. It takes less than 15 seconds to pop it up and only requires one person to operate. Simply push up on the rear handles and the gas struts will begin to raise the walls. Once they have unfolded, you can step inside and finish pushing the walls out to safely secure them in their upright position. Our truck campers provide 4-season protection, so you never have to worry when it comes to facing the elements.
Unlike a van, you can easily take your Hiatus camper down any back road. Taking advantage of our 4-wheel drive capabilities has led us to some amazing camp spots. We've traveled across North America in our prototype to test its durability, and it's withstood quite a beating. Come check it out!
Our hard-sided walls are insulated, waterproof, and super lightweight. The lower frame is insulated as well. As you can see, the camper secures to the bed rails of your truck, so even when it's on, you can still make the most out of the back of your truck.
All models will come with a slide-out bed platform. Since our campers extend over the cab, even when someone is sleeping, you have enough room to cook or chill. When it's pulled out, it's just under the dimensions of a full-size bed.
And when you're ready to party, you can push it back and the whole cabin opens up. The standing room inside will be over 6 feet.
We also offer services to build out a custom interior for your camper. Let's show you what we've done for this build. This is an example of what you can have with your interior. This is a bench seat with storage underneath.
If you'd like to integrate a propane system, we can definitely do that. One option is an externally mounted tank that feeds into the camper.
You can also choose to have a swing-up side door for easy access to your belongings.
And for those who want a more modular design, or will be using their truck bed often, we can create furniture that is easily removable or folds away, making the space usable even with the camper on.
We can modify and create a design that will fit your needs.
We can also adapt our design to fit any truck. We love to build custom solutions, so if you have an idea, feel free to shoot it our way.
We hope you enjoyed this little tour.
See you on the road!